Hi, my name is Natalia Bonotti, and I'm from Bahia Blanca, Argentina. I was born with a squint, so when I was 2 years old, I started wearing glasses, which lasted until I was 42. I was diagnosed with strabismus, hyperopia, and astigmatism. I remember wearing eye patches when I was a girl, and I remember my classmates calling me four-eyed at school. In my teenage years, I found out about contact lenses, and I used them from morning till night, every day. Already in my college days, I couldn't stand them any longer because I started having constant eye irritation. I became addicted to sunglasses and wouldn't go out without them. And when I was older, in my 40s, I started having presbyopia. And I always needed to have my eye drops with me because I needed them for dry eye condition. And throughout all those years, I would take care of my vision by going to the ophthalmologist once a year, checking my prescription and adjusting it. My vision healthcare was completely outsourced. It was delegated to a third party. Until June 2019, when the ClearSight Method appeared, and it became a turning point. So I started with a little effort to get rid of those glasses that I'd been wearing for 40 years. Already by November, I was only using them for work. For work, because I use a computer for work, so I needed them. And I started to feel better. I loved not having to wear glasses. I was feeling that I had one less barrier against the world. I was feeling more connected, and I didn't need my eye drops anymore. Until December came along, and then I experienced the big test. I had to renew my driver's license, which had always had the wears corrective glasses label. So I was thrilled to renew that license without any restrictive label and without wearing my glasses. It was a huge turning point for me. And after a few days went by, I started feeling some eye pain at work. So I thought, I'll go to the ophthalmologist. And when I did, he told me, Natalia, your prescription is simply higher than it should be. So I went from having 3 diopters, which I had throughout most of my life, to having just 1 diopter. And now I'm able to work and use my computer glasses with an even lower prescription, or otherwise just pinhole glasses. I don't wear sunglasses anymore. I don't need vitamin D supplements anymore, which I took for a long time. And my eyesight is feeling better and sharper than ever. I understand that the thing about natural vision is that it's like a long road ahead. I guess I've traveled quite a bit down that road, and I've had significant improvements. I know I need to keep traveling it, and I need to keep on working on my presbyopia, my squint, and so on. But what I'm saying is that this ClearSight method has meant a lot to me because it has empowered me. It has given me the chance to take control of my life. Because up until the moment when I had the course, I'd left the solutions to my eyesight issues to an external source. And now I understand that those solutions are within me. I signed up for the ClearSight Method in order to take a course to improve my vision. And I find myself taking a course that is proving my being. Thanks a lot.